Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove tab setting in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we can see here some tabs top. You can add tab, press tab on our keyboard. Now we want to remove the all tab setting. Go to the view menu. Firstly enable the show text ruler. We can see here the ruler. You can make tab using this ruler. Then go to the window menu, click the text option and enable the paragraph. Then enable the tab stop. Then click before the text and we can see here many tab setting. Now we want to remove the all tab setting. Select the remove option and we can see we remove one by one. Otherwise you can add tab setting. Click this plus icon and we can see we added a tab setting. You can increase the height the tab, click in before the tab option and write your tab settings. Now I am write 5, then press enter. You can set this tab left, center, right or decimal. Otherwise you can add the ladder like the dot, dash or the hyphen. Now we can see we remove the all tab setting very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.